We're cooking green onion eggs today. It's so good and so easy. You'll love it. Prepare your green onion. Dice them small. 1 egg per half cup of green onion. But remember, we are cooking, not doing science, so it does not have to be exact. Add some salt, star anise, and some black pepper. Preheat your pot and add some oil. Add your eggs. And stir them and cook them until they're done. I cooked the spicy version here. I add some chili pepper and added a few drops of oil on top of the pepper so they can get cooked. Mix in with the eggs and you're done. Now we have non-spicy, just plain green onion egg, and the spicy version is so good with rice. You have to try it. Before you go, please like and subscribe. Thank you.